What's good, YouTube family? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? I hope everybody doing awesome out there, wherever you're at, wherever you're viewing from. Hope you're doing great. Hope everybody had a great weekend, enjoyed themselves, uh, enjoyed some rest and relaxation and things like that. I had an awesome weekend. I had church on the Sabbath. That was awesome. It was a beautiful day, and got to fellowship with with some family. And then today, um, I'm helping to coach one of my brother's son's little league flag football team, and we ended up winning our first two games, which was very exciting and cool. So it was definitely a great weekend. But welcome to the latest edition of Forex Trading with Danny on this marvelous April the 10th, 2022. Hope everybody's doing well again. But we're gonna definitely take a look at the charts, see what's going on, see what we can anticipate looking forward to this week. Should be some volatile movement. Like when we looked at the headlines on the investing.com articles this past Friday, it's a lot of news that's going to be happening, so we should get a lot of movement this week. But if anybody interested in coaching, hit me up. My information scrolling on the bottom of the screen. Please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, leave a comment, leave some feedback, whether you got any questions, if you like the content, holler at me. You can also email me. Email address is right there scrolling, DannyGoodman03@gmail.com. Hit me up for coaching. And you can also follow me on Instagram, _Danny_Goodman. DM me, holler at me, hit me up. But what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the charts. And then we're also going to take a look at investing.com to see what kind of headlines are out and see what we can kind of anticipate going forward. So let me get my chart ready. All right, so here we go. All right, so let's see. The last time we checked in was Friday, so it was probably around here. So it looks like the first candle of today has went down. So price is pretty much getting me in further profit. Let me see. I think that was Friday when this candle had formed, but it had tested this low. It is testing all of this support that has happened previously, and I'm telling you guys, hey, if it can get under that, it can do some numbers for us. So it's looking like it is going to continue to go down. It's getting some early rejection up here. Some early resistance going on up there. So it's looking like there is a strong possibility and a high probability that it's going to continue to go down. But the telltale sign is going to be whether it can close below this price point here. If we can get a candle to get under this line, close, got a really good shot for it to keep on coming down, hitting the take profit right there. So got a lot of news going on. The move can happen. It can happen overnight tonight. It can happen tomorrow afternoon. It can happen Tuesday. I don't know exactly when the move is going to happen, but it can happen at any point of this week. So I'm still in the trade. I'm in further profit right now. Let's see what I'm looking like. I'm in about 50 pips in profit right now, which is awesome. I'm going for about 170. So that'll definitely help me get back towards get me back on track to getting close to hitting one of my goals, and I'm excited about. So that's what we're looking forward to right there. So what we're going to do is take a glimpse at investing.com and take a look and see what kind of headlines, what kind of news they've put forth out here. So let's transition to that. Alright, so we're on investing.com checking out the Great British Pound USD, and some early news 2 hours ago. Let's see, GBPUSD, well, there's some headlines. GBPUSD rebounds sharply from 1.3000 on de-escalation in the Russia-Ukraine war. So there's some optimism based off of that. Let's see, I guess it's appearing to be some kind of ceasefire that's going on. Though we have other big news, again, like I've conveyed to you all, when it comes to Forex, I mean, we're dealing with a market that moves according to real-time action, real-time events, real-time news that can happen, from wars, economic news, natural disasters, any kind of things like that, any kind of tragic events that are, terrorism, things are like that. The market will move, up or down, volatile, very volatile based off of those things. So going back to one of the headlines we looked at, I think this is it. Oh, no, this probably isn't it. But let me see. Excuse me, guys. So let's see. This isn't the exact article that we read, but this one right here is the headline: GBPUSD weekly forecast, downside risks remain intact ahead of a big week. So let me see. Let's go into here, because it was a lot of news that was going to be happening. Let's see. Yeah, I think this might have been that same article that was bringing up. Yeah. So let's see. What was the news that we looking forward to? Okay, Monday sees the UK monthly GDP. So that could be some news. Like if their GDP report doesn't come back good for them, that could push, the dollar down. Again, and it can make a volatile move. But that's going to be happening in this session. So this is the Monday session. And then it says next of relevance for GBP traders will be the Kingdom's labor market report due on Tuesday. So Tuesday is going to be a big report. The all-important U.S. Consumer Price Index will be also published later in Tuesday's American session. So Tuesday is going to be some big news that can happen. That will be followed by critical UK inflation data on Wednesday, with the rate already set at 30-year highs above 6%. The U.S. Producers Price Index (PPI) will also hit that day. So it's a lot of stuff going on this week, guys. It's very exciting. So it says also on Thursday, the U.S. retail sales, weekly jobless claims, and preliminary Michigan consumer sentiment data will keep traders busy amidst a data dry UK docket. So we got a lot of news happening. It's going to make for a very exciting time watching the charts. And again, let's go back to my chart. And so as you can see, currently, in the candles, is looking like it's continuing to resist here. So it can press down at any moment. It can press down, get under this price point, and I'll be looking forward to it. So we'll see how it goes. We'll continue to be patient and let the market come to us, and see if we can get into further profits. So that's been this edition of Forex Trading with Danny. And Definitely excited about this week. It's after going through some adversity, dealing with the choppy sideways market, and I'm excited that you guys are finally going to see some motion, some movement in the market, and kind of be able to see the upside of forex. Like, you've seen how I can chop up, and you've seen some of my losses and all that kind of stuff like that. But this is what we trade for. This is, as a trader, this is what you basically look forward to, is catching these big moves, because these are opportunities to get big profits. Again, I'm going for 170 pips. 170 pips. That's relative to whatever your lot size is. So, for somebody who hits 170 pips, that could be $500 for one person, for somebody out there. That could be $5,000 to somebody out there. That could be $50,000. That could be $5 million to somebody. It just depends on your account size, your lot size, and all of those things. So, if anybody's interested in learning more about forex, again, I'm open to coaching. Hit me up. My information scrolling below. My email address. Hit me up on Instagram. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like the videos. Leave a comment. Give me some feedback. Let me know you're watching. Holla at your boy. But I'll look to check back in with you all, God willing, tomorrow evening, and we'll see what's going on. What I'm considering doing, probably overnight or sometime before I go to sleep, is bringing my stop loss into profit so that I can't lose. But I'll probably just kind of bring it just a little bit in profit, so it'll continue to give it some room, and I'll just be kind of just continue to watch the market, and hopefully we can get into further profits. But again, God willing, I'll catch back up with y'all tomorrow. But until then, I hope you all have a great evening, morning, afternoon, just depending on wherever you're watching this. But I hope you all take care and stay safe and healthy. And until the next time, I'm out. Peace out.